What better project for my miter saw than to build a new table for it? I found plans for this table on the internet, modified them to include this shelf and my shop vac. The shop vac is connected to the back of the miter saw to collect dust. The vacuum is also connected to this eye socket auto switch so that when the miter is turned on, the vacuum automatically turns on and continues to run for 10 seconds after the miter saw stops being used. Here's a demonstration. Most of the dust was collected into the vacuum. Best of all, both my shop vac and my miter saw have a designated space in the garage and are no longer roaming around all over the place.